What is up, guys? I am back with another mod for my 1991 Mazda Miata. And this time it's something pretty important. Oh, my nose is stuffy. I'm about to sneeze. Well, you ever feel like a sneeze is coming on, but it's like, it's not there? Here it is. Alright, so this one's really important if you drive a lot at night, and that is headlights. These headlights are awful. Absolutely terrible. You can hardly see anything at night. I bought this car late at night and drove it home, and it was super sketchy. So we're gonna get rid of these and actually use these. So these are 7-inch LED headlights that were made for a Jeep. So Jeep headlights are apparently super bad too. So a lot of these have come on the market, and I did some research on the Miata forums. And people seem to really like the ones that come on AliExpress. So I picked those up for like, I think they were $60 or so, give or take, plus or minus 10. I think they were around 60 though. And they had really good reviews, and a lot of Miata people seem to like them, even though they're from AliExpress. So we are going to get those installed. I'm going to take these out and put those in. These also have they have the daytime running light halos, which is super cool, as well as turn signals. So we're going to try and wire those in as well. And another plus of using Jeep headlights, they use the same connector. So we're going to get this wired in, and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see here, here's the old one with that plug and then the new one with that plug. It's exactly the same, even the same locations and everything. And that's how dirty this thing is. So let's get this nice go right here over there, and we'll wire her up. It works! Look at that! Oh, that's sick. However, the headlight won't go down, so we'll see why that is in a second, but damn. So here's the difference in what the headlights look like. I haven't taken the plastic off just because I'm still working on it. Heck yeah. That's sick. I definitely like the darker look better. The issue, somehow the body harness clip got caught in the hinge there, and that's freaking stuck in there. So I'm gonna have to try and pull that out and then probably tape it up over here or something. But that is hella stuck, so let's try and maybe we can just pull it out. Oh, I don't know. Whew. Now you can see just how bright it is, daylight out, and I still have the plastic on there. But the LED is so much brighter than this piece of crap over here. So that's looking good. I might do the other one now, I might not. We'll see how that goes though. Well, we finally got the headlights in, and are you ready to see the final product? Because I think it looks pretty awesome. Here it is. Hell yeah. So we got the halos going there. I can't really adjust the headlights to see how they are as far as driving until nighttime. I'll probably have to adjust the angle a bit, but that is looking sick. It looks so much better. So much better than the original ones. Not only does it look cool, but it's super functional, and it's so much better. So I'm actually going to turn off the parking lights. So that's how they look when they're off. And they actually look pretty good when they're off too. So there we are. There we have it. AliExpress Jeep headlights, 50 bucks. They might get a little scratched up, I don't know. But they're way brighter than stock. So as long as they last just a little while, it's definitely worth the $50 or $60, however much I paid. But I hope you liked the video, hope you learned something. Give it a like if you want to, comment if you want to, subscribe, of course, if you want to, and I will see you in the next one.